we're breaking down exactly how drug manufacturing is proven to be safe.
So how is every single pill guaranteed to be safe? The answer? Qualification and validation.
Basically, it's the rule book for proving that every single step of manufacturing is totally under control.
All right, so here's the plan. We're going to follow the entire journey, from start to finish.
First up, planning. And believe me, absolutely nothing is left to chance here. The master blueprint for all this work, it's called the Validation Master Plan, or VMP. Think of it like this. It clearly lays out the whole strategy, who does what, and the rules.
Okay, part 2. Let's look at how a brand new piece of equipment actually gets qualified.
Let's use a car analogy. There are 4 essential checks before mass production can even begin.
Step 1. Design qualification. It's like checking the car's blueprints. Is the design actually safe and suitable?
Next, installation qualification. Are the assembly line robots installed exactly as the blueprints say they should be? Then comes operational qualification. We run the robots empty to make sure they move perfectly at all speeds. And finally, performance qualification. This is the big trial run, making a few cars to prove it all works. All right, the equipment is good to go, but now we have to prove the recipe itself works.
And for that, you've got 2 main approaches. The crucial thing is proving the process is robust. So in the traditional approach, you typically need to make at least 3 perfect batches in a row.
But wait, it's not over. Validation isn't a one-and-done thing. It's an ongoing commitment.
This is called ongoing process verification. It's all about making sure that the process stays stable, always. So what if you want to change something? Well, even the smallest tweak goes through a strict process.
Why does this all matter? It's simple. This entire system exists for one single reason: patient safety.
So let's recap. From the first blueprint to the final pill, every single step is controlled to protect you.
It kind of makes you wonder, right? What other hidden processes ensure the safety of things we use every day?